how to fix having a flat head in the back of your head right in through here. So you may see this and go, oh, this looks great, yeah. But if you're one of those individuals who has a pretty flat head right in through here towards the occipital bone where the head rounds out back in through here, if it's very, very flat, you don't get a lot of volume, then this is going to help you. It really comes down to having the right haircut, okay? If you have a haircut where, and this goes for anyone, if you have a haircut where it's very long in through here, right, and it just weighs it all down and kind of hugs the head so it's literally just very, very flat on its own, you need to make sure you change up the way you're getting your haircut. You need to create layers and volume right in through this area, and as you can see, just from me doing that, I mean, look, if I go like this, look how much fullness there is. That's not flat to me. So what you need to do is find where the occipital bone is, or right where I know it's flat, but you're gonna feel a bone kind of back here, and you wanna create the roundness, even if it's up top here. And you do that by layering the hair like this, as you can see, pulling the hair out and making sure that it's cut to follow the head shape of your head, okay? So what you're doing, it's almost creating like an illusion to where you're building volume in through here. Again, if it's not built in the right space on your head, excuse me, if it's not built in the right area on the back of your head, it's gonna continue to lay flat. You could actually put all this volume way down here and the flat part is up here. It's gonna look ridiculous. You're gonna have all this volume here and this is still gonna be flat. Make sure that whoever's cutting your hair understands where you need that volume back in through here, okay? And then once you have that haircut, when you start styling your hair with the blow dryer, right, use a product like Tidal Wave, right? Tidal Wave is my #1 seller. It's a great volumizing sea salt spray, and it's my #1 seller, right? So spray some of that right on the scalp area or in that trouble area you're having. 1 spray, 2 sprays, whatever it is, and then when you blow dry, make sure you're getting your hands in there and you're creating some sort of lift, right? You're lifting from the scalp in order to get that volume and that support. So what you're trying to do now is support this. If you don't do anything and you don't put any effort into it, it may still lay a little bit flat. Having the right haircut's one step, and using the right product is great too, but you have to make sure that you are supporting that with the styling technique and the right process. Use code YouTube20, that's YouTube20 at shop.thesalonguy.com for 20% off. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.